Shenzhen King Li Sheng New Energy Electronics Limited, established in Shajing Town, Baowan District, Shenzhen. Now, King Li Sheng has a modern factory building of more than 10,000 square meters, with more than 300 employees. Annual output value of more than 160 million. The company is based on BMS Battery Protection Board research and development, production, assembly, and sales as a pivotal point, leading the way forward for the industry. In the digital age, software innovation is a guide, lighting the beacon of the future. Smart BMS series developed by the King Li Sheng, from 3 series of 5 amperes to 24 series of 200 amperes, is leading the wave of innovation in lithium battery protection board. Digital-driven development, intelligence leads to the future. In order to meet the customer's needs deeply, we are committed to personalized design, making every lithium experience smarter and safer. What we design, the BMS, support your RS-485, RS-232, Canvas, etc. communication protocols. Can be connected via Bluetooth, cell phone app, WeChat, smart program, connection of the communication box to the PC, remote monitoring and control via GPS module. Also has interfaces for LCD display light boards, etc. Safety and convenience in every detail, giving each BMS an intelligent soul. Gathering wisdom and compiling innovative chapters. The King Li Sheng team shines like a star. Technology research and development is our courage to climb the peak of science and technology feat. Honor certification is the precious chapter of our team glory. Every innovation is the melting pot of wisdom burning. Every honor is the crystallization of teamwork. We take the mountains as our buildings and our dreams as our wings. We walk with the wind and fly with our wings. Quality is the cornerstone of our cooperation. Reputation is the support of our forward movement. We work closely with our partners around the world, provide customized lithium battery protection solutions for various fields, gaining industry recognition. Products are exported to overseas markets, writing a new chapter of cooperation together. Innovation comes from passion. Technology shines in the future. Shenzhen King Li Sheng New Energy Electronics Limited. King Li Sheng will continue to move forward and lead the future of lithium protection boards with intelligence and safety as the guides, protecting the intelligence and safety of batteries.